Hello there everyone and welcome back.
So, a week worth of dirt. Probably able to see, but there is dirt here on the window. A lot of dirt here. This is the main dirty area. Kicked out on the rear bumper, side skirt. This is where we want to degrease the paint, so to speak. Those wheel arches we're gonna rinseless wash. Now, as you can see, there's going to be a lot of sand trapped in those areas. That's where I want the degreaser or touchless to be at for the most part. So we're just going to cover the lower half somewhere up until here. This is like the line where I want the degreaser to be at, and the top and everything else. Our second stage will be to rinseless wash. So we have the APC diluted 1 to 10. We have our, and this is going to be Surfix HD, by the way, Bill Hamber touchless, 40 ml per liter, and we're putting in here about 30 mils of rinseless solution in a 2-liter pump spray. So this is going to be our kind of pre-wash for the car today. These are for the wheels, the APC in the snow form. This is going to be for the lower half of the car, and this is going to be for the whole car apart from the wheels. First phase touchless on the lower half of the vehicle.
So touchless is a very good pre-wash, and it has degreasing capabilities. You can even remove bug splatter and tackle the traffic film, or even remove it completely.
Now, I'm gonna pump spray the wheels. You can do it before or after, it doesn't matter. Still got 3/4 left. Use very little for pre-wash. Now our last step is rinseless wash all of the car apart from the wheels top to bottom.
The rinseless pre-wash is the key solution here in my routine, because it gives me the ability to freely rinse off not only itself but also the chemical that we applied previously, which is the touchless. And you will see now how effective it is. Especially it's very good on the wheel arches. It helps you to knock off that grime or the small sand particles that we can see, and to make the contact wash a lot safer. And we're saving a lot of water. I only use 25 liters of water, even less than that, per whole wash for the wheels, for the pre-wash, and even to rinse off the car soap that I'm going to use next. The whole point of this pre-wash routine is just to make all the solution rinse off freely, because we're not using the high pressure power washer, or you can even use a garden hose with this routine.
To me, that's a good surface to work on for the contact wash now. So I know the car is wet, you probably won't be able to see, but you can see the gloss has come back, especially in the lower half from the covered traffic film. They did a really nice job. All these nooks and crannies, it's clean. There's still some dirt, but it's good to work on this surface now. So now, guys, we're gonna use our Wash Plus 25 mils. I added to this whole bucket. As you can see, I already used this, but this is what I used prior, 25 mils of this. I didn't use it directly on the wash mitt, just poured it in 25 mils, fill it with water. Make sure you shake this thing up. Obviously this is a meguiars sort of combo, and then I dried the car and I sprayed this Ultimate Quick Wax, which is one of my favorite waxes, if not the favorite. This is an amazing wax. I love it. There's a newer version that I can't wait to test out, but yeah, let's get into it and let's wash the car.
So while I'm working in the car soap, I don't really apply a lot of pressure, and you might notice there's not a lot of suds, but that's mainly because there might have been some rinseless solution left under surface, which kind of neutralizes the suds a little bit. And the soap itself rinses off freely. It does not stick on the surface that much. It just goes off really quick. Now we're just going to dry the car using the microfiber towel.
So this is the car just after the wash. The gloss is significantly improved. It's almost like it's been pulled. Let me just show you the water after just the contact wash without the wheels. It's a bit contaminated, but it's not like dirty. So you can see, like, still see through. So that's kind of good. One of my favorite spray waxes ever. Yeah, this paint needs polishing. A lot of defects in the paint. However, it's not the right season to do it. It's been nearly more than 2 months, so I can spray the car with waxes now. Just a bit here. I'm not going to work it in. And immediately I can pick up on how the product glossifies the surface. I love this product. It's one of the best spray waxes out there. The question is, does it require buffing? Initially, it evaporates really quickly, so you might not even need to buff it out. I don't know either. I really don't think you really need to. Just work it in and let it evaporate, so to speak. And yeah, the surface is very, very glossy. Now we're just gonna do the rest of the car. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do the windows. Same thing. Work it in. Because they're very clean. I might just additionally buff them with clean cloth. To perfection. Gloss is good. Which is kind of cool. The glossifiers in this product are amazing. This is one of the best waxes, and also it leaves a very slick surface, so it's a very cool wax.
So these are the finishing result, guys. I've spent about an hour and a half, and you know, for a quick boost to the paint, to the look and everything, I think the results are not too bad. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.